Hi there. In this Unleashed Warehouse Management app demo, I'll show you how alternate picking works. There are two methods, split picking and switch picking. First, I'll demonstrate split picking. As you can see, you can choose picking locations based on stock availability. With split picking, you're able to pick stock from multiple locations. The second option is switch picking, which allows you to change to your preferred picking location during the process. Once picking is complete, you can confirm the pick to proceed to the pack and dispatch page. And that's it for the demo on the two alternate picking methods in the Unleashed Warehouse Management app. Thanks for watching.